Well, sa inyo mga kwento, much better if ma-experience nyo personally. But the most asked question here is bakit may hanging coffin? The reason daw noon ng mga katutubo is that they hang the dead so that animals like dogs or other creatures won't dig up the dead and eat them. After all the stories, we decided to go back since it's getting dark fast and we might get into trouble with the supernatural daw.
Nakikita mo na yung... Bablog ka na naman.
Ang ganda oh. Ito pala yung pinakamaganda namin kasama. Tingnan nyo, nakaano pa. Anong tawag po sa suot niya?
Galing Japan yan. Pangit.
Kaso pangit daw. Sabi ng kapatid niyang pinakamaganda.
Sarcastic lang kasi siya.
Japanese ka, di ba? Japanese ka, di ba?
Hilaw.
Basher to.
Huwag ka naman magmura.
Bablog yan kasi Tara G yan eh. Tara G.
Tara G, Tara.
Ito naging content mo.
Tara G.
You're excited?
Hours?
No.
Lakad?
Na